Hey guys, so today I want to do a quick and easy style that I think you can do at home with this really cute scarf that I just got from Target. It's nice and long. My hair is really long, so the longer the scarf, the better. It's from this brand, A New Day, if you can see that. So I want to show you this really quick style. It's like a bun that incorporates a scarf, and I'm just going to use a couple bobby pins. I could only find 3 here at my house, so we're gonna try and make it work. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in my little pocket right here, and here we go. So I'm gonna take 2 sections and split it in half, and then I'll take the scarf and split that in half. And it doesn't matter if it's even perfectly, and we're just gonna wrap it around each other. And then what you wanna do is kind of just pull out some hair so you can separate the scarf and see it. And then we're gonna make a bun. You only need a couple bobby pins if you place them properly. There, and now we'll just turn around, and I can tell I like that already. And sometimes if you leave some of the ends out like that, you can just tuck them back, grab another bobby pin, and yeah, leave some hair on your face, and it's a really cute summery kind of style. Okay, hope you enjoyed that.